Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing origami pop-it push button toy model. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this origami pop-it mini button model, we'll need multiple sheets of paper. One of it is the square piece of paper. Let's first begin with this. So first, let's fold it along the horizontal axis. And now fold it along the vertical axis. Makes a smaller square. Now you have 4 flaps here. So fold one flap on the side. Fold the other one on the opposite side. Open this, close it inwards. You have 2 flaps, one on this side and one on the opposite side. Open the entire structure. This is how it looks. Now you need to measure this section. So as you can see, if you measure it, it's approx 15 centimeters. So let's have a marking at 5 here and 5 here. We need 3 sections in this paper, so let's have a marking on this side as well. So here we can mark one and here we can mark another. Alright, now we fold it as per the markings. Basically we had to make 3 sections, 3 equal sections, because we'll be making a button which is nothing but a box. This is how it looks. Similarly, we do it on this side. We have markings already done. Yep. This is how it looks. Now you open these 2 flaps, fold it from here like this, and then you have a crease like this. You just need to fold it. Similarly, fold it from here, you will have a crease, this one, fold it like this. So fold it like this, this one also just fold it like this, and the upper part just flip it inwards. This is how it looks. Similarly, we do it on this side. So you have a fold crease here, fold it like this. Similarly, you will have a crease here, fold it like this. And now fold it on this side, the flap, fold it on this side, down, and then press it. This is how it looks. It's a small box, as you can see. You can put some things also in this. This can be also made as a separate tutorial, but I think we have already made multiple boxes, so I am not making this type of box again. So this is how we make it. Now we'll need a slit here basically. So let me scissors. Approximately at this point possibly just make a slight hole. Slowly do it, otherwise it might poke your finger, and then give a cut. Like this. Yeah, so here is a slight slit which we made. If this is coming like this out, basically we can glue this portion up. Just open this, just one sec. Yeah, just apply some glue over here and then you put it so that this won't come off. So let me do that and I'll show you. Right, I've applied the glue over there, and now this won't come off because we need this slit open. So similarly, we make one more box, exact same, with the slit, and then we will stick these two boxes like this, in this manner. Let me apply the glue. And we just stick these two boxes like this. Make sure the slit on both boxes is open and visible. Press it properly. This is how it looks. Now we make a smaller box exactly like this, just which fits in this box. So I've already made that. Let me just show it to you. Here it is. It's a small box, same structure as the earlier one is, and this, if you press it slightly, this exactly fits it. This acts as a button, as you can see. It would be good actually if this is slightly more smaller, because as you can see there is some friction here. So if there is no friction, that's the best part, but even if it's there, it's fine, we can do it and no issues in that. So let me keep this aside for now. Next we'll just take a strip of paper like this. Oops, let me just focus it. Yeah, take a strip of paper of different color and then make it into half like this. Let me show it to you actually. One more time, make it into half like this, and then we make a zigzag pattern. Just fold it from the half, fold it from this half, fold it till here, then fold it here, then a zigzag like this. Like this. You need a zigzag pattern. We need a literally long zigzag pattern so that you get that compression basically. So I'll show you once I made I'll make such 4 or 5 and then I'll stick it together so that we can get a thick zigzag pattern. I'll show it to you. Here I'm back. As you can see, I made a zigzag pattern. I have sticked 4 strips, the ones which I showed you, and this forms a good compression. As you can see, a thick, good compression. This will stick it, but before that we need a small plastic slit like this. This is a plastic bottle which I've cut. We don't need this long, we need a small slit out of it. So this, we will stick it on the last one like this. At this point we need to stick it. So let me stick this and I'll get back. Guys, now we have this. We will take this plastic, put it from the slit like this, and here we'll just make a slight fold like this. This we'll stick it here in the button. Let me just apply some glue and stick it. Not sure if this plastic sticks. Let's try that. Let's stick this properly, firmly, and then again let's put this here. So this is how it looks. Oops, it's not sticking, I think. Oh, by the way, we don't need this slit. This I by mistakenly cut it, so we don't need that. Let me just apply a tape and get back. I applied the tape here because it was not sticking with the Fevicol. It's fine. Now let's put this. As you can see, as the button goes down, this moves. Now we'll need a slit cut over here. We don't need this additional portion, we can just cut it. This much is enough for us. As you can see, this is how we're gonna make it. We need to cover this section here. So, two things. First, the zigzag which I made. This entire zigzag will go here. Here, basically we need to stick it for the easy push of the button. And second, on the other hand, once you put in the slit, on the other hand, we'll just put this small note. We'll stick it like this, in this fashion. So let me do all this and I'll be back. Guys, here I have sticked all the pieces as mentioned. As you can see, there is a zigzag which I made here in the bottom. This is not needed, so please don't make the slit. Sorry for that. And stick this happy origami note here on the other side of the plastic. So as you can see, this is how it comes up like this. So now we need to cover this section, so we'll make a small packing like this. So let me do that. Actually, let's do it together. I believe this size is good enough. Let's take the measurement like this, and then so let's fold it like this here. You have it here, and then let's fold it here. This is nothing but just a covering, so like this. So this is the pop-up button model. As you can see, I guess the plastic went slightly on the lower end. So if you put it like this, see, yeah, this is how it goes, and like this. I hope you understand the concept behind this. I did not work it out well, but yeah, you can add a bigger plastic. As you saw, I've cut a small slit, and then I think that went bad there. So also if the box is slightly smaller, it would come out automatically. So happy origami, like this would have come. So this is basically the idea behind Origami Pop It mini button model. So I hope you like it. Happy origami. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you guys in next week. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.